Everyone, and welcome to Prax Art Gallery. Today I am drawing three different types of eyebrows, and it's very easy to draw, so make sure to watch till the end to know about each and every detail of it. So now let's get started. To draw an eyebrow, basically two things you need to keep in mind. First, the pencil should be sharp, and second, we need not to use the higher soft grade pencil, as you know the softer grade will smudge the whole pencil strokes and it will not look natural. So as you can see here, I have first of all drawn the outline, and now I'm creating hairs in that, and the hair could be of different length and it will be in the different direction. So in eyebrow, basically there are three different direction of the hair. So at the start it will be upward, and in the middle it will be horizontal moving towards the right side, and at the last it will be downwards. After drawing base layer of hair, I am blending it with the help of a makeup brush very gently, and now I will be using 2B pencil to darken the hairs. So the direction and the pencil strokes are going to be same as we did it for the base layer shading. Now for the other two types of eyebrows, I will be using mechanical pencil. So here I am using two types of mechanical pencil, for the 2B mechanical pencil and the 4B mechanical pencil. The advantage of using mechanical pencil is its lead is very pointed, and you need not to sharpen it again and again. So I believe it is perfect for the eyebrow drawing. Each and every individual hair you can draw very perfectly, like the way I'm drawing, and it will not get smudged like in case of other pencils, which is a graphite normal wood pencil. I hope you are enjoying the video, and if so, give it a thumbs up. It will give me a lot of motivation to create such videos. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to find this type of another videos. Let's continue. I hope you have enjoyed the video and you got to know a bit about how to draw an eyebrow. So thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.